In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download MetaTrader 5 on your PC or laptop. MetaTrader 5 is a versatile BOW platform widely used for trading in financial markets, offering impressive tools for analysis. If you're eager to get started with it right on your device, let me guide you through the process, step by step. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, type in MetaTrader 5 and press Enter. You should see a list of search results appear on your screen. What you're looking for is the official MetaTrader 5 website among these results. Generally, it should be one of the first few links you see. It's crucial to click the official link to ensure you're downloading a legitimate and safe copy of the software. Upon reaching the official MetaTrader 5 website, you'll find options to download the software. Make sure you select the option that matches your operating system, whether Windows or Mac. This is an important step, as the correct version ensures that the installation process runs smoothly without any compatibility issues. After confirming your operating system, click on Download MetaTrader 5. The file will start downloading immediately, and you may see a progress bar at the bottom of your browser indicating its status. Now, let's move on. After the download is complete, head over to the folder where your downloads are saved. By default, this is usually the Downloads folder on your computer. You'll want to locate the MetaTrader 5 executable file, which often has a .exe extension. Once you've found it, give it a double click. This action will launch the installer and begin the setup process for MetaTrader 5 on your computer. The installation wizard will appear, guiding you further. On the first window, you'll likely find a button labeled Next. Click this to proceed. The installer will begin copying and installing necessary files onto your system. This process may take a few moments, so feel free to sit back and relax while it completes. Once the installation is finished, you'll see another prompt on the screen. This is your cue to click Finish to finalize the setup. Here's something helpful to note. Right after the installation concludes, the MetaTrader 5 application might automatically launch. If it doesn't open on its own, you can always find it among your newly installed programs and open it manually to start exploring its extensive features. And there you have it, a straightforward way to download and set up MetaTrader 5. With the software installed, you're now ready to dive into the world of trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, I hope this simple guide has helped you get one step closer to achieving your trading goals. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!